Myles.
Hi, we're going for a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're going to Boracay. Boracay Beach.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hello, welcome to G1 channel. We're going to the beach today.
Yes.
And here's my luggage, but it's so heavy I can't do it like this. I can do it like this.
Okay guys. Oh wow.
Good morning. Punta kami na.
Yeah, Bournemouth, yeah. Ano kakain ka? Lagay mo yung ano mo. Oh. Go. Close ah.
Hello.
Nice. Oh, di ba? Oh, yan. Hello guys. Holiday time. Holiday time. Ha? Ito? Yeah. Bye. See you guys.
Bye guys.
Myles.
Hi, we're going for a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're going to Boracay. Boracay Beach.
Boracay.
Pala pagka umuwi kami, umuwi ka rin.
Sure. Oh.
Kasama ka tayo.
At least may remember tayo sa ano ba?
Kaya nga kuya.
No, lovely.
Hello.
Pagka umuwi tayo ng Pilipinas, sama natin si Mother. Papasyal dito sa kanila.
Okay.
Tayo, sama namin si Mother. Pasyal sa kanila.
Bournemouth kami. Yan, ang group namin.
Doon mo ngayong bag ni Benny.
Okay guys, say hi.
Hi. Hi to
Layo-layo na. Marami. Kasi marami ako praktikahan dito.
Ma.
Hi. Bella.
Thank you.
Thank you, Will. Thank you, Will.
Ano ba? Marami kang
No luggage and no bag. Lagay mo sa YouTube kuya para ano. Para forever yung memory.
Admin.
We're excited to go to Bournemouth.
Direct flight mo, kuya?
Hi guys, how are you? Ben? Jewel? Hi to camera. Hi.
And look, we're in the bus now. Oh!
Huh? Oh, hi pula. Say hi.
Hi! I'm angry because you're pushing my seat.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back. Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say
Skyline. Ayun, Bournemouth na. Bournemouth University. Ayun ba yung bus? Kita mo? It's here na.
Ganda ko naman ba? Bakit naman tayo din na?
Hindi naman masyado eh. Oh.
Pero sa
Ito may simbahan.
The baby.
Okay.
The baby. No, the curtain.
Okay, welcome everyone. So, andito na tayo sa West Mansions na niratahan namin. We're going to stay. We're going to spend our holidays for this whole week. So, kasi-checking lang natin. So, we have to get our key here. Kasi dito tayo sa number 9, plus 9, West Mansions. Dito sa Bournemouth. So, pasok po tayo. Dito na tayo. And then, so this is it. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. We rented 3-bedroom apartment. This is the living room where the kids is going to spend their coloring stuff. They're going to play here. They're going to spend their noisy stuff here. Okay, and relax. And then this, okay, I'm going to bring you to the rooms.
Ano ko ito? Pakita lang.
That is the living room.
Hi muna. Hi.
Hello!
Hello!
Kids!
We cannot interrupt this wrap because otherwise it's gonna be chaos. Okay, this is our kitchen. So, as usual, mga Pinoy tayo. So, always prepare tayo sa mga food. Talagang nagluto ng mga Pinoy food. Oh, tingnan nyo naman. My rice. Of course, rice is lifer. Meron tayong mga pusit, fried fish. Of course, hindi natin ang rosy wine natin for tonight. And some breakfast. So, kompleto lahat. Meron tayong hob, oven, you can cook, toaster. Kompleto naman in fairness. Ang linis ng kitchen. Okay, this is the small dining table where we are going to spend our meal. We're going to have our meals there. And of course, napaka-important ito yung exit, fire exit. So, this is the fire exit. So, in case something happens for emergency, we're going to run. Okay, so we're gonna lock it for security and some ironing stuff. We have a hair blower and iron. And this is our shared bathroom. We have shower, radiator, and this is a toilet bath. This is it. Walang bathtub na lang, it's okay. We have the beach naman. And so these are the 3 bedrooms. So come. This is 1 bedroom. Unlucky. 1 double bed and 1 single bed. This is perfect for 1 family. So the couple's gonna sleep here and the baby's gonna sleep. And so look at that, it's so bright, it's so nice. And this is where you're going to put your stuff. Okay, your clothes, personal stuff. And then another bedroom for 2 persons, 2 to 3 persons as well. Same, a little bit smaller, but it's still big. Look at the bed, so big. 1 double bed and 1 single bed for mother dear. Nagre-relax na si mother, just arrived. Yeah, and so we hang our clothes in here. And then, another big room here. Look at this, guys. 2 double bed. Look at that. So, ibig sabihin dalawang couple. Joke. Yeah, at least 2 big beds here. Wow. This is so good, so nice, beautiful. Bed is so clean, white sheets. And look at the neighborhood. We're just across the Westcliff Baptist Church. Wow, look at this cherry blossom tree there. We're just on the highway, so it's very accessible. Yung bus stop is just 1 minute walk. sa bus stop. So, very accessible siya. Ang ganda! So nice! Of course, hindi ko nakawal kayo, ang tayo ng Febreze. Ito ay spray natin to make it, to refresh the roof and the linens and everywhere. Okay, so that it is. Okay, yun lang po.
Okay.
And we have a big hallway as well, very spacious. And thank you so much.